Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to set custom theme in Messenger using your own photos. To do this, first go back from your Messenger and now go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now delete the cache file. Go back and now tap on permissions and make sure all permission is enabled. After that, go back and go to your Play Store. Search for Messenger and update your Messenger if it's available. Open your Messenger and go to chat. Now tap on here. Tap on theme. Tap on upload an image. Now choose your picture. Tap on save. Tap on select. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.